Well, hi again. It's John Reed from the Acumatica Partner Summit. I'm lucky enough to have another customer with me. How's it going, Timothy?
Good.
And you're with Cherry Lake Tree Farm. Very interesting business model. Tell us about your business and how Acumatica fits into the picture for you.
Sure. Cherry Lake Tree Farm is an agribusiness. We produce ornamental trees, shrubs, palms, and we also have a landscape and irrigation construction division where we install the plants and landscapes.
And how did Acumatica enter into your business model?
We've been using Solomon for the past 10 years, and we've done a lot of customizations to Solomon, which has created a lot of problems for our organization as we're trying to evolve and grow. We find ourselves being held back by the customizations, and it became
an all too familiar refrain, unfortunately.
Yes, so we learned the hard way that that's probably not what you want to do.
Yeah.
And we realized it was time to make a change. Our organization was ready to look at ERP again. So we started looking around and quickly came down to doing a out-of-the-box Solomon implementation where we got rid of the customizations, or going with Acumatica. And we quickly learned that there was a lot in Acumatica that you cannot get from Solomon or any other ERP in our space. So we went with Acumatica.
Give us an example of something that stood out for you with Acumatica.
Acumatica is truly built for the cloud, and we felt that that technology is going to be very important to our business.
Yeah.
We saw Acumatica as being ahead of the curve in terms of embracing that, and we had a lot of trust in Acumatica that they would continue to improve the technology and to develop it along the lines of what we're going to need as our business grows.
So you wouldn't have to do the heavy customizations that got you in trouble last time around then.
That's right.
Yeah. And also there's this element of mobile workforce, because it seems to me one of the advantages for some companies is Acumatica HTML5, really easy to use on the go, more mobile capabilities were announced. Does that fit in also with how your workforce works and that kind of
Absolutely. Thing? Yeah, we see mobility as a big part of how we're going to use Acumatica. We have farms spread out throughout the state, and the farms themselves can be very large, thousands of acres. We have workers that are deployed throughout all of this acreage. In addition to that, we have salespeople on the road. We have salespeople through multiple states. We have salespeople in Europe. So for us to keep everybody working together and communicating, mobility is key. And to be able to deploy tablets or Chromebooks or devices into the field and have our people interact with the data directly in real time is a game changer. It changes the way that we think about our processes.
Yeah, and I think you were saying with some additional order fulfillment, you could literally have sort of same-day fulfillment and distribution via those channels as well. So I could go online and order one of your trees and...
That's right, and you might be able to see exactly where the order is in fulfillment status, and that helps compress the time of delivery, which in our marketplace is very important. Customers value quick turnaround, and it can be quite a challenge to ship a truckload of trees halfway across the country. So whatever we can do to be more efficient and to be quicker in the delivery is important.
Right, so anything stand out from today? We've had about 2/3 of one day so far. Anything stand out to you?
Well, it's been a great opportunity for me because I haven't come to one of these conferences in the past. So to interact with the partners, but to interact with Acumatica staff themselves and to hear directly from Acumatica what they've been working on, what their goals are, to see the 5.0 update, that's exciting. And really to interact with other customers, which for us there's a lot of value in that to benchmark with our peers.
We should wrap the video, but I would like to get a quick answer for you looking ahead. A lot of recessionary times in the past. Are you moving into growth now, and how does this all play out?
Yes, it's time to grow again. You know, it's been tough. We are tied to construction, so we've just been through a serious recession. Market's turning around, and with that, we've positioned ourselves to really grow and take advantage of the opportunities over the next 5 years in our marketplace.
Yeah.
So Acumatica is coming in at a good time. We
Right.
really see this as, hey, let's get ready for growth. Let's get ready for change. And we're going to be changing all of our processes, all our screens, all our users are going to be asked to move to Acumatica, and I think that's going to be healthy. It's going to be great.
Yeah, so you're close to go live. You're 18 months through the process, and next time I see you, you probably will be live. So
We'll be live. I could
get
show
the-
you my iPad, and we can look at the screens.
We'll get the update. Thanks a lot for your time today.
All right, thank you very much.
Appreciate it.